Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Pinterest carousel posts are becoming one of the best ways to drive traffic and engagement in 2026. Let me walk you through exactly how to create them. Step 1. Understand what a carousel post is. It's essentially multiple pins combined into one post that users can swipe through on their feeds. The cool thing about carousels is they keep people engaged longer because each swipe reveals new content. This means higher click-through rates and more visibility in the Pinterest algorithm. Step 2. Start by gathering your assets and planning your story. You'll need 5 to 10 high-quality images or graphics that tell a cohesive story. Think about what message you want to convey. Are you teaching a tutorial, showcasing a product, or sharing tips? Your images should flow naturally from one to the next so viewers want to keep swiping through every single slide. Step 3. Design your carousel pins using tools like Canva or Adobe Express. Each image should be at least 1000 by 1500 pixels for optimal quality. Keep your branding consistent across all slides with matching fonts, colors, and overlays. Make sure text is large and readable because people are scrolling quickly. Step 4. Upload your carousel to Pinterest using the Create button. Select carousel from your options and upload each image in the order you want them to appear. Add a compelling title and description that includes relevant keywords people are actually searching for in your niche. Step 5. Optimize for the algorithm by choosing the right category, adding relevant tags, and scheduling your posts for peak engagement times. Test different carousel lengths and topics to see what resonates with your audience. Monitor your analytics to learn which pins drive the most traffic back to your website or content.